In the US, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max prices are expected to increase by $100 to $1,099 and $1,199, respectively, and the iPhone 14 Max. The big screen successor to the iPhone 13 mini, $699, is set to cost up to $300 more than its predecessor. But could price rises really slow the historically insatiable demand for new iPhones? Apple leaks have revealed that iPhone 14 Pro models will receive multiple exclusive upgrades and higher pricing. But now a new report claims standard iPhone 14 models will also receive a price bump, despite being virtually unchanged from their predecessors. Speaking to The Sun, Dan Ives, head of popular analyst group Wedbush Securities, cites supply chain prices as the driving force behind the increase. "We believe a $100 price increase is coming for the iPhone 14, explained Ives. Prices have been increasing across the whole supply chain, and Cupertino needs to pass these costs to the consumer on this release. If correct, the iPhone 14 lineup would break down as follows. While the $100 would hurt, particularly for standard models, which will sport the same design, rear cameras and chipset as the iPhone 13. The big financial hit comes with the range's entry point, jumping from $699 to $899. This near 30% increase results from Apple discontinuing the 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini in favor of a 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max. Also tipped to be called the iPhone 14 Pluses, which pushes the iPhone 14 into the base model position. Such a chasm would cause genuine shock. It would also be a hard sell. Historically, Apple has kept previous generation iPhones on sale at lower prices after their successors' launch. If Apple does this again, opting for a virtually identical iPhone 13 or even iPhone 13 mini, which could be as low as $599, would be a no-brainer. There is one popular industry counterpoint. That is, Apple will retain iPhone 13 pricing for the iPhone 14, and the lack of an iPhone 14 mini will account for a $100 entry-level increase rather than the $200 gap discussed here. However, this doesn't account for the hike in supply chain prices, so it may prove overly optimistic. So should you upgrade? Throw in the red-hot rumor that iPhones will move from Lightning to USB-C in 2023, and, for me, I think this is an upgrade year to forget unless you're in desperate need. That said, based on supplier deposit sizes, it looks like another super cycle regardless.